Bear on YouTube has asked about the fan noise on the Atomos Ninja 5 Plus. Been using this unit for about a week, and normally it kicks on, makes a bit of noise at first and then quiets down, but I'll fire it up and just stay quiet so you can hear. So fan's still making a bit of noise. Now I'm going to power on the camera, send it a signal. So that doesn't really affect anything. I hadn't noticed it previously, but now sitting here in a quiet environment, I can definitely hear the fan. And when you switch to play, it really kicks up quite a bit, so then settles back in. And same when you switch back to record mode. And see, now after a little bit, it seems to have gotten a touch quieter, and notice that there's a little less of a tick to the fan noise. And occasionally, when I fire it up, it sounds like it's got a little bit of a rattle and it goes away. So a little bit concerned about that, having, you know, a new piece of equipment, and hearing that it does sound kind of like an older fan or like a rattle to it. But I'll just have to keep an eye on it. And hopefully it's not an issue going forward. But if you have any other questions, just let me know.